apps installed but not showing on the home screen on Android phone. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you simply need to do is launch the settings application on your device. As you do that, scroll down and here you can see the option of home screen. So tap on home screen, and as you tap on the home screen option, here scroll down again to the end, or you can just tap on the home screen option that comes as a very first option on the category. Then scroll down and to the very end you can see the option of place new apps on the home screen. So a lot of times when apps are installed but this option is toggled off, the app does not get shown on the home screen, rather it goes directly to the app list only. So you have to toggle on this option and you'll be able to see the new app that you have installed on the home screen directly. Make sure that you have your home screen on the with app drawer layout so that you can get this option. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.